Good morning, students. The lesson, Science Lesson 1, What is inside the body? Our body is covered by skin. The skin protects our body. It does not let germs get into the body. Nerves inside the skin help us feel pain, heat, touch, and so on. Look at your skin and other things through a hand lens. Do they look different? A lens can make things look bigger. A lens can make things look bigger. Scientists use microscopes to make things look much bigger than they are. Microscopes have more than one lens. Microscopes have more than one lens. Hair comes out of tiny holes on the skin. Each hair has a root inside the skin. Try to pull out a hair, it will hurt. Snip off a bit of hair, it will not hurt. This is because only the root of the hair can feel. The rest of the hair is dead. Tiny tubes inside the skin make sweat. Sweat comes out through the pores on the skin. Under the skin. Under the skin, there are muscles. This is what we call flesh. Under the skin, there are muscles. This is what we call flesh. There is some fat too stored under the skin. The muscles help us run, walk, sit, play, and so on. The fat under the skin keeps us warm. The fat under the skin keeps us warm. Under the muscles are bones. They are hard and you can feel them. Feel your backbone? It runs down from the head to the hips. Bones help us move. They also give shape to our body. Without bones, we could be shapeless like snails. Under the bones. Next heading is under the bones. Bones protect some parts of the body. The bones of the head form the skull. The bones of the head form the skull. The skull covers and protects the brain. The brain helps us think, feel, and remember. It controls everything we do. Look at the picture of the skull. Where's the skull? And the brain in the second picture, it shows the brain lies inside the skull. The bones of the chest form a hollow space. The bones of the chest form a hollow space. Inside the space lies the heart and the lungs. The bones of the chest form a hollow space. Inside the space lie the heart and the lungs. The heart pumps blood and the lungs help us breathe. The hollow space below the chest is called abdomen. Look at the picture. Where is the abdomen? The hollow space below the chest is called abdomen. Many organs are packed tightly inside the space. Organs are nothing but they are the parts of the body that do special jobs. The brain, lungs, and heart are organs. The brain, lungs, and heart are organs. The skin, nose, eyes, ears, and tongue are sense organs and they help us sense things. Next, we go on to blood. Blood. Big and small tubes run through every part of our body carrying blood. These tubes are called blood vessels. Look at the picture given. The bluish green lines running through the back of the hand and the arm are blood vessels. The largest of the blood vessels are connected to the heart. Blood flows in and out of the heart through these blood vessels. Blood flowing through the blood vessels carries food to every part of the body. It also carries many other things like the air we breathe in. Do you know why you bleed when you get hurt? The skin breaks and so do some tiny blood vessels running through it. The blood flowing through the vessels then comes out. Next, I'll take you to the science lesson 1 spellings. Okay, first one is nerves, nerves, nerves. Second word, microscopes, microscopes, microscopes. Third one, pores, pores. Fourth word, muscles, muscles. Fifth one, backbone, backbone. Sixth word, skull, skull. Seventh word, blood vessels, bloodvessels, blood vessels. Eighth word, breathe, breathe. Ninth word, heart, heart. Tenth word, lungs, lungs. Next, we will see answer the following. First question, name the 5 sense organs. The 5 sense organs are the skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. The 5 sense organs are skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. Second question, which organs in our body pumps blood? The heart pumps blood in our body. The heart pumps blood in our body. Third one, what lies inside the skull? The brain lies inside the skull. The skull covers the body and protects the brain. The skull covers and protects the brain. Fourth question, what do the lungs do? The lungs help us to breathe. The lungs help us to breathe. Fifth question. Of what use is the fat under our skin? Of what use is the fat under our skin? The fat under our skin keeps us warm. Next, we'll go on to lesson 1, filling the blanks and match the following. First one, hair comes out of tiny holes on the skin. Hair comes out of tiny holes on the skin. A lens can make things look bigger. A lens can make things look bigger. The bones give shape to our body. The bones give shape to our body. A part of the body which has a special job is called an organ. A part of the body which has a special job is called an organ. The brain controls everything we do. The brain controls everything we do. The hollow space below the chest is called the abdomen. The hollow space below the chest is called the abdomen. Next, we go on to match and complete the sentences. Nerves inside the skin help us feel. Nerves inside the skin help us feel. Each hair has a root inside the skin. Each hair has a root inside the skin. Bones and muscles help us move. Bones and muscles help us move. The bones of the head makes the skull. The bones of the head make the skull. Blood flows through blood vessels. Blood flows through blood vessels. Inside our body, food and air are carried by blood. Inside our body, food and air are carried by blood. Okay, children, today's the class is over. Just go through the first lessons, fill-ups, match and question answers. Spellings, write it 5 times in your rough note. That's your homework, and learn the question answers given. Okay, children, thank you.